So here we have OPI's Reoccurring Gleam, and we have Pure Ice Frosted Ice Petal. And these are the swatches with a flash. I am also doing one under natural light, but the color doesn't show as well under the natural light. And for those that swear by OPI, as you can see, it chips on day 3, just like my cheap nail polishes do. So yeah, stick that in your pipe and smoke it. Anyway, not a dupe. Again, creme, pearlescent, maybe shimmer too. I really love this color. It reminds me of Bazooka bubblegum. Don't get me wrong, I really love this color. This one's actually one of my favorites out of the 4 that I've swatched. I didn't really care for Grape Escape or for Keep It Surreal. Grape Escape to me looked a little bit muddy after drying down. Keep It Surreal was way too orange for me. I think it would look better on someone with a darker skin tone. It didn't suit my pasty butt. It just didn't. It didn't look good on me at all, unfortunately. But I think someone that has a nice tan, that color would suit them. Yeah. So I kind of was going through the ingredients of my Pure Ice nail polishes because I was thinking about maybe trying to create dupes myself if I can't find them. And one of the ingredients in the Pure Ice nail polish, I may be butchering it, is guanine, which essentially is ground up fish scales. And because we've had like this trend in going vegan and cruelty free, I think that explains why nail polish isn't pearlescent anymore. And even if you do find pearlescent nail polish, those of us who are really familiar with pearlescent nail polish look at it and are like, wait, that's not pearlescent, that's micro glitter. Yeah. So I think that's why we don't have pearlescent nail polishes anymore. Which is a bummer, considering that people still eat fish. So now instead of just processing the scales and making nail polish, that just gets thrown out. I don't know. I think it's kind of a waste. But especially if people are going to be eating the fish anyway. But that's just me, you know. So, I don't know. I have to see. I think I want to, when I have a little bit of money saved up, I'm going to order some mica and see what I can do with the micas. And if I can, like, dupe anything or not. We'll see. Anyway, that's enough lamenting, ranting, I don't know. And by no means do I believe in, like, hurting an animal. I'm looking at it logically, like, you know, if people are eating the animal and you can actively see them at the grocery store, use the entire animal. Like, do what the Native Americans do and, like, respect every single part of that animal so it didn't die in vain, type of thing. That's the way I look at it. Alright, see you later. Bye-bye.